We've been a leader in the AOI and AI space since the inception of the company, right?
Yes, correct.
How has the technology evolved since your start?
So it evolved dramatically, to be honest. Now, when we started in 2021, we started playing a little bit with AI, with hardware. It took 2-3 years to put together the optical head that we are using right now, that is extremely advanced. It's all custom, so we designed the cameras, we designed the projectors, we designed the telecentric lens. Everything is designed on purpose to get a very high speed of acquisition. As you know, we are using artificial intelligence. The main problem or the main topic of artificial intelligence is how to acquire data, because we typically acquire 40 gigabits of information per second, and we are moving towards 160 gigabit per second acquisition time. So basically, when you do such a job, there is nothing in the market that is ready to go. So we've been compelled to design everything. And let's say that we are in the market with systems that are perfectly working since 12-18 months. And in the last 12-18 months, the hardware is fixed. Now we are moving more and more towards new features of software. For example, we are installing in India, in 1 month's time, a very important feature that is patented by Delvitech that is called the Predictivity. It will be installed at a very important customer, and it will be consisting of 3 machines in the line, post-paste, pre-reflow, post-reflow. And through these 3 machines, we will be capable to predict the errors rather than analyzing the errors at the end of the line. So we will do the perfect usage of a process control system. Right now, everybody is using the AOI just to make sure that at the end of the line, you get no escapes. We don't want to do only this. We want to act before avoiding the errors to happen, so that at the end of the line, you can benefit of this cost saving.
This will be very interesting. So we look forward to that announcement whenever that happens.
Yes.
Right? We'll be happy to share that with our readers and audience. Do you also sell any low volume or rapid prototyping kind of solutions, or have any plans for that?
Yes, we sell also low volume, high mix machines. For example, you see here we have the 2 platforms. One platform is called Horus, one platform is called Atom. The Horus machine is a very fast machine, perfect for high mix also, and high volume. The Atom machine is perfectly suitable for subcontractors or for OEMs who have small volumes and the request of very fast programming, and especially customers who are mounting components of any type with components that are 12 centimeters tall up to the 01 or 05 can be inspected from this machine. So the Atom has no limitation, and it's a perfect answer to your question.
Thank you, Mr. Gatti, for being there on this interview. Thanks for taking your time. Right? It's been a pleasure to speak to you. Right?
Thank you. And once more, it's a pleasure for me to have this company in India. It's a pleasure for me to be closer to the Indian customers. We will continue to enlarge our facilities here in India and to enlarge our operations, because we have a lot of things, a lot of new things coming. We are enlarging the market, and we want to be successful together with India. Thank you again.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. And if you have any questions, feedbacks, or comments about this interview, please post it, and we'll share it with the Delvitech team and have them reply as soon as possible. Thank you very much.
Thank you.